Right. Let's take Hypersynth Xenophone. Okay, so we have a power supply. Let's see, 12 voltage and 1250 milliampere. Now, let's see what is it doing at the moment. We have a nice letter with this. Okay. Okay. So.
Do I know anything about monophonic analog synthesizer? No, I do not. But what we got here is basically have an issue when sometimes it's not turning on, sometimes the display is not as bright as it normally would be. This is what I got as instructions. This is what we have to sort it out.
Can I just move this one a bit away? Let's try it again. Turn it off. Turn it on. And it's nothing. Turn it off. Turn it on. And it's work. Huh. It's like an old car. It's not always started the first time, isn't it? Like now, it's nobody home. Maybe the only problem is the power supply. Or the power button. Let's see. Okay, so let's get part out. I have no idea how is this one gonna open, but taking out the screws, this looks like a good first step. And we have another tray here. Yeah, definitely Torixton is a perfect match. Okay, this one is a little bit shorter on the middle bottom part. Okay. Oh, please don't save it. I have to take off the top part too. Please don't say. Hypersynth X144. Wow. It's a low number. Risk of electric shock. Do not open. Okay. I'm risking. This is a risky business. I can't imagine how is it going to open from that side. That should be the obvious one. You just take off. It's not doing anything. Okay, I can take off the top 4 screws here. I'm not sure where this one is going, but plus a few on the middle. So this is a shorter too, and actually it's completely different size than the other shorter one. So we're gonna need another holder. Looks like we have a few different types. So for now we're gonna go and this holder. It's make easier to figure out later. Short one. Short one. Short one. Short one. And short one. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that. We have hidden screws there in the wood. And that one is not a toy fan. Okay. Good, we have a whole set here, so let's check 15. Yes. Torix 15, so we're gonna go with that one. Wow. Wow. It's like an IKEA bed. Yep. Definitely going somewhere. Let's take off the other side. I think these screws wasn't perfectly in center. Okay. We have a tiny bit of movement now. And we need to take off this bigger one. I took this just holding the coil or something. But measure. Okay, so we are open for business. Okay. So. Alright, so we have a multimeter. Power connector. We are expecting 12 volt here. Let's see. Okay, I'm definitely measuring on the wrong place. There's nothing here. It's strange. It doesn't look like a... Okay, so everybody home. We have diagnostic LEDs here, which is very nice. Huh. And it's coming on. I'm still a little bit curious about this voltage. So let's see if I can show it to you. It's not an over-complicated connector. There we go. So it only has 2 ports. So yep, it's working. So it should be 12 volt here. It's saying there's nothing. Huh.
So I went through the rabbit hole a little bit, as the power connector ground is not there, it's under the connection. So I had to find a normal ground connection on the PCB. We're gonna jump there now.
Huh. Ground. Okay, so we have a ground here. All right. It's still not explaining. Okay. This is something. So if I put this one to ground and this one to what?
Going to close.
We're closing at 17 hours, darling.
I mean 17 o'clock.
Uh-huh. And we have 11, 10, 10. That's not good, isn't it? Okay, let me show you. So first of all, we're measuring the voltage. Here we go. So you see that plus 12 volt. That one is coming from here to the switch, to the capacitors, and going back here. So we can measure the voltage there. Now we have a ground connector, a test point, here. Yep. So let's see, is the power supply is really acting up, because 10 volt and 11 is not 12, isn't it? So I try to measure it. Just a second. There we go. 10.6, and we started. Nope. It's working. It's working. Slowly. No, it's working. Okay. It's working. It's not working. So it's a switch issue. I just started moving and started going through. So yeah, it's a switch issue. And do I have to replace this switch or just need a DeoxIT? I think it just need a DeoxIT. DeoxIT D100. Now in this switch, let me show you. We have a tiny switch, you see? Left side, right side. Left side, right side. Up and down. Up and down. Okay, so what we're gonna do, try to get the DeoxIT inside. And we're gonna click a couple of times. And that's gonna do the magic. And as well, this power supply probably deserves a better one. Let me look around. I think I probably have a better one. Let's first test this one. Okay. So, big camera. Let's check this power supply quickly. 12.0. Let's plug it in. Let's turn it on. And let's check the voltage. So, ground and plus. Nope, it's not better. It's even worse. Okay. It was rated for 2 amp, but probably in China. And in China, they're using different numbers. 12 volt, it's mean more than 9, yeah? No, it's not done. We need 12. We need 12. We need. Okay. Let's see what else I have. Made in China. Made in China. Lianjia. Sage. Question is the connection is gonna be compatible or not, because this one I think is a little bit shorter. It's worth a shot. Okay. Or maybe it's perfectly normal. It's we have a voltage drop there. Basically 12 volt is going in. And that one is better. 11.23. That's definitely better than 10.6. Huh, interesting. So looks like as it's working, it's somewhere is making a lot of energy. I don't know where, but this power supply are not for the faint heart, and they can't handle it. Huh. Well, maybe that power supply is just perfect as it is, isn't it? This is a switching power supply. It's my last resort. So nice quality. Okay. So let's see, what is it saying? Wow. Okay, we're gonna stay with this one. All right. Now, quick check on the switch, and it just died. Yep, it's nothing coming through the switch. So we have a switch issue still. Huh. Okay, DeoxIT sometimes need a little time to make it work. I really don't want to replace that switch, but if we have to, then we have to. Usually inside this switch we just have a little plate, and when we have a little sparking, powder going through, let's make a little arch, a little black layer there, and that's gonna insulate the switch, and the powder is not going through anymore. But the DeoxIT should remove all of these. Also, it's a little bit oily, which prevent the problem to come back. Okay, that's it. Should be working. As the DeoxIT is working, it's just gonna be better and better. So all the things left to put it together, which is gonna be fun. One last check before we Release it.
We hope you've been enjoying our videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot to us and enables us to dedicate more time to creating content like this. If there's anything specific you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to make it happen.
Oh, good now. All right.
Until next time, take care.